Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Shoaib Education. Today I am writing about successful habits. अगर आप चैनल पर पहली बार आए हैं तो माय चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और साथ ही बेल आइकन को प्रेस करें। They get up early. They read a lot. They make exercise a priority. They spend time with people who inspire them. They pursue their own goals. They get enough sleep. They have multiple income. They avoid time waster. They talk less, listen more. They learn from mistakes.